Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Hyundai Ioniq 5 charging data to Hyundai app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer Hyundai Ioniq 5 charging data to the Hyundai app, start by ensuring your smartphone has the Hyundai app installed. Open the Hyundai app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your credentials. Make sure your Ioniq 5 is parked and powered on. Locate the vehicle settings on the app's main menu. Select the option for vehicle connectivity. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. On your Ioniq 5's infotainment system, go to the Settings menu. Find the Bluetooth settings and make sure it is discoverable. Return to the Hyundai app and tap on Add Vehicle. Choose Ioniq 5 from the list of available models. Follow the prompts to connect your vehicle to the app via Bluetooth. Once connected, navigate to the charging data section in the app. Here, you will find options to view your charging history. Select the option to sync charging data. Wait while the app transfers the charging data from your vehicle. Once the transfer is complete, you can view detailed charging statistics and insights. Check the settings to ensure automatic syncing is enabled for future data transfer. You can now monitor your charging information directly from the Hyundai app. For further assistance, refer to the Help section within the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.